All right, everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. I want you to go ahead and put on your researcher hats for this one, because today we're diving into a hyper-focused examination of a very specific, honestly incredibly minimal digital artifact. We're going to deconstruct a piece of media not by actually watching it, but by strictly analyzing its structural metadata and the underlying text. Now, as researchers, we usually hunt for dense data, right? But sometimes the absolute most fascinating insights come from the smallest possible amount of information. We're going to look at a really distinct case study today where the packaging of the information tells a vastly different story than the text itself. It's just a fantastic exercise in digital literacy.
First things first, class, we have to establish the provenance of our artifact. The source channel for the data we're examining today is called AI Warehouse. Now, just by looking at this name, we instantly establish a baseline expectation. The term warehouse literally implies a massive repository, right? A huge collection of data, tools, or experiments all related to artificial intelligence. It immediately sets this highly technical, almost industrial stage for the content that originates from it. So we're walking into this analysis totally expecting to look at heavy machine learning, complex algorithms, and deep systems.
So, let's break down the primary metadata, the actual title of the artifact. We've got two distinct, super ambitious claims presented right here. The first point, AI learns to play soccer, promises a real exhibition of complex capability. It implies a whole process, reinforcement learning mechanics where an agent interacts with an environment over and over to achieve a highly sophisticated goal. But then listen to the second point, and breaks physics. Okay, this is a dramatic, almost sensational addition. It takes the whole premise from your standard technical demonstration straight to a spectacle of physical impossibility. As analysts, when we see a title like this, we're immediately prepping ourselves to unpack dense physics simulations, crazy collision detection errors, or just really fascinating algorithmic quirks where the agents literally break the simulated world. The title sets an incredibly high bar for technical engagement.
So here is the absolutely crucial question. When we're presented with such a grandiose, highly technical premise, what is the actual substance beneath it? What is the transcript, literally the textual foundation of this entire artifact, actually revealed to us? As students of digital media, we all know that the transcript is usually where the dense, searchable information lives. If an AI is out there learning soccer and breaking the fundamental laws of physics through wild reinforcement learning, the transcript is exactly where we'd expect to find the narration of that process, right? The explanation of the code, or at the very least, some commentary on the simulation. Well, let's uncover the actual textual data we were provided.
And here is our data. Please subscribe, followed by a giant grinning D emoticon. That is the literal entirety of the provided transcript. I really want you to absorb the minimalism here. We have a completely 100% promotional line. Notice the structure, a polite request, a clear call to action with the word subscribe, and it's punctuated with that enthusiastic, wide grinning face. There is absolutely zero mention of artificial intelligence, no discussion whatsoever of soccer, and definitely no breakdown of simulated physics or reinforcement learning agents. Impartially speaking, the sole textual purpose of this artifact isn't actually to explain the promised phenomenon at all. It's just to drive channel engagement and grow an audience metric.
And you know what? This brilliantly illustrates the core lesson of our explainer today. Notice the incredibly stark structural juxtaposition here. On the left side, you have this profound technological promise, an AI mastering a complex sport and literally shattering the boundaries of a physics engine. It's perfectly designed to capture your curiosity and signal deep technical value. But then on the right side, you have the stark reality of the text itself, a simple three-word plea for a subscription with a smiley face. It's wild, right? So as we wrap up our analysis of this metadata, I want to leave you all with this provocative thought to chew on. In our modern digital landscape, how often does the highly engineered packaging of an idea entirely eclipse the actual informational substance beneath it? Thanks for joining me in this breakdown today, class. Keep your researcher eyes wide open out there.